The Bentley Bentayga is the most technologically advanced SUV on the road today. It represents a step change in driver assistance, in driver comfort and driver safety. The Bentayga has an array of different sensors that provide real-time information about the environment that it's in. It has the ability to park itself, to stay in a lane, to avoid accidents in low-speed traffic. The Bentayga has a night vision system that uses an infrared camera and has a display inside the vehicle that highlights hazards that are beyond the range of the headlights, such as pedestrians, animals in the road. We also have a head-up display that gives you navigation information, that gives you the speed of the vehicle and gives you the speed limit of the road you're on. We have an all-new 8-inch touchscreen that controls a 60GB hard drive that controls the major functions within the vehicle. In the rear of the vehicle we have a touchscreen remote that enables the rear occupants to control a number of different features inside the car, such as the seat controls, heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems and many other features as well. We're introducing a new rear screen entertainment system via the Bentley Entertainment tablet. A 10-inch screen, an Android-based system with a 4G capability. The tablet enables you to access the internet, watch films, access your music. It also enables you to remove the tablet from the car and use it in the home or wherever else you may want to use it. The tablet can stream audio to the car and even control the navigation system. The Bentayga has 3 new levels of sound system, the highest being the Name, which has nearly 2,000 watts of power. The Bentley team has spent years developing and refining this step change in technology. All of these sensors and technologies combine to make the Bentayga the easiest to use SUV in the world.
The thing that really sets us apart from every other manufacturer is the fact that we're so vertically integrated. And what that means is when you sit in this car, everything you touch, you feel, you smell is built here in Crewe. Our people are so important when it comes to making a Bentley because our tradition is built upon handcrafting of parts, handcrafting of this car. The interior, as you would expect, will be exquisite.
It's what we come to work for. It's to design and engineer a brand new exterior, a brand new interior, appealing to a new market, and not only that, going in straight at the top to be the best.
Precision and craftsmanship means that any customer who looks at this car will see no perceptible difference in any panel gap. It will be even, it will be parallel, and it will be exact. And that extends into the interior.
I can personally remember spending hours week after week in the styling studio with my engineering colleagues and with the styling guys, working on tenths of millimetres between the wood, the stainless steel and the leather, just getting it absolutely precise. So I'm most proud of the fact that myself with my team have truly delivered the world's first, the world's best luxury SUV.